Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making a 1950s inspired one-shoulder polka dot top with a draped, flowy, asymmetric cape using a basic princess seam sewing pattern that I got from Etsy. I'll leave the link in the description. I am using a fabric from Walmart. It cost me $8.50. Yep, let's go! I started by cutting out the sewing pattern pieces on the fabric. I added 7 inches to the bottom of the fabric to increase the length of the top. I did not want a crop top. And then I serged the raw edges of the pattern pieces. That way the fabric does not unravel and it makes the inside of the top look nice and neat. I also added a seaming allowance because the sewing pattern did not come with seaming allowance. Next, we are going to cut our chiffon fabric. I started by cutting away the uneven part of the fabric. I had already folded it into two because it came in a 60-inch wide. So I folded it into two and then cut off the uneven part. As you can see, I'm measuring 26 inches across and marking it. Remove the fabric weights so I would have room to mark fabric, and I cut it away, and this would be our flowy cape. Next, I take it to the serger and serge the edges. That way it does not unravel. Next, I fold like that, as you can see, and I sew the edges of the chiffon fabric. Chiffon is very tricky to sew, so you have to take your time and sew it so that it looks nice and neat. Next, I am making a knife pleat on the edge of the chiffon fabric. Then you sew. Next, I placed the sewn knife pleated chiffon cape on the right side of the top where I will connect the princess seam. I pinned it to the side front of the pattern piece. The other side front, I did not pin it all the way down because that would be the slit. As you can see, the top is sewn together and there is a slit on the left side of the top. For the back of the top, first I pinned the two center back patterns together and basted it on the sewing machine. This is where I will add the zipper. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos. This is a free way to help and encourage me. I thank you so much for all of the time that you have spent watching this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you! I pinned the back sides together, as you can see on your screen, and sewed it on the sewing machine. As you can see, it is all sewn up, the sides back, the back panel, the sides are all connected now. So I am aligning the front and the back together. As you can see on your screen, I'm aligning them together. This is the part where I cut. I'm marking the area I'm going to cut. As you can see, so I'm going to start to cut. And then I'll do the same for the back. Now, tell me, is this a top that you can wear anywhere, or is it do you want to only wear it to a special occasion? Let me know in the comments section. I have faced both the front, the back, and the armhole. I used the same fabric to face the top, the neckline, and the armhole. Now I am pinning everything together. I measured 6 inches from the top of the left side of the blouse and marked it, as you can see on the screen. Next, I draped the cape across the back of the top and pinned it to the spot that I marked on the side of the top. And then I hand stitched the cape onto the top with a needle and thread. I used a white pink snout button to give it a decorative touch. And voila! We are done! Thank you for watching, and I appreciate you greatly. See you on the next video. Bye bye!